Chef José Andrés is a genius in many ways. This beer is a testament to a moment 15 years ago when my wife and I were attending the Food and Wine Classic in Aspen as a wedding gift from a good friend. We sat down and watched him talk about looking at things you look at every day through a new lens as the modernist approach to cooking. What he'd done was fillet some watermelon, and he was searing it in olive oil as if it were a piece of meat, and garnishing it with the cells of seeds from a tomato, the part often discarded. And he made this really neat little dish, and what he was saying was, every time you've used watermelon, you've used it in one of three versions of the same way. Let's look at things differently. We decided to pull that lesson forward here and pay tribute to that formative moment by taking another one of our Highlanders, these nice, quaffable, acidic beers that play more like Sauvignon Blanc than most of the other beers we make. We grilled the watermelon over charcoal, dehydrating it a little and concentrating its flavor through some caramelization. And then we dressed that with a tiny bit of spearmint, hoping to make it pop as a kind of herbally watermelon tone throughout the beer rather than a watermelon flavored beer. And it's just meant to be a fun, quaffable, hey, the watermelons are in the field, let's throw them in a beer and see what they do this year kind of thing. Give it a try and tell me what you think.